This is my honest review of the Vitamix Professional Mixer. One of the things that I like about this mixer is that it's red. There's not a lot of moving parts on the exterior to worry about. It's easy to clean and wipe down. The canister itself slides right in there with no problem. The blades are super sharp, so be careful. The lid on the canister has this wonderful lock mechanism. And because of that lock mechanism, it doesn't make me fearful when my children throw a bunch of ice and fruit in here and don't put their hand over it and just hit the high speed, because I know that it's locked on and engaged. When you remove the access port here, you can use the handy dandy little plunger here to move any items that are stuck in your mixer. If you are looking for a mixer that is going to do just about anything you wish, the Vitamix Professional Series is the one you need.